Hey, sweetie. Have you been a good girl today?
Yes.
And this for you. Hey, dear. What happened to our neighbor?
Let's talk inside.
Alright. You mean no one saw the burglars break into Joe's house?
No one heard or saw anything, not even those staying nearby. When Joe got home from work, he saw his front door wide open. And this is why it happened.
The burglars must be professionals.
Or people can be too careless in protecting themselves and their loved ones. Now, pause time for dinner.
Okay.
Hey, why you open door?
Some evening air is good for ventilation.
Yes, but don't you really know what happened? Our neighbor was burglared in the broad daylight. This is terrible. We moved here because this neighborhood is safe.
I know we did. But then, I'm here. Everything will be okay. Relax, my dear. So, was anyone hurt?
No, they were at work. And luckily their little Sarah was at her aunt's place. But they've lost their money, jewelries, and even laptop, valued over 50,000.
Mommy, can I go play at Sarah's house, please?
No, you're not going to play at Sarah's.
But you said I could go later.
Not today, sweetie, okay? Something happened in their house, and Sarah might be busy, right?
Hello? Yes, boss. Yep, I've worked out the formula and will present it to you this Friday in Penang. Yeah, sure. Alright, see you. Bye.
Don't tell me you're going.
Yeah, why not?
How could you leave us now?
But the presentation is important.
Oh, something bad just happened to our neighbor. You can't just leave us alone. What if they come back for more? And decided to break into our house? What should I do when you're not around?
Nothing bad is gonna happen to us, to this family. I'm sure of this.
How can you be so sure? I'm sure Joe thinks the same way as you do. I'm sure he doesn't want anything bad happen to his family. But it did. And it's lucky that no one got hurt. What if Joe's wife and daughter were at home? What if they got hurt, killed, raped? Oh, can't imagine that.
Surprise! This is my promise to you, a wireless home alarm system.
That's so thoughtful.
Okay, we have one here at the door. See?
Just here?
No, there's more upstairs. Okay, this is a motion detector. And this is a vibration sensor. And the control panel is in our bedroom. Okay, this is the control panel and it controls everything. I'll explain to you later. We are well protected with a home alarm system.
This is wonderful, but home alarm system can be quite difficult to use.
True, but not this one. There's no need for you to remember any passwords, there's no messy wirings, which keeps the house nice and tidy. And just by pressing the button on the remote control, the alarm is activated, and a hopping code technology which prevents the duplication of the remote control's code.
This sounds simple enough, but what about the power supply?
All transmitters are battery powered and they are quite long lasting. Even if the battery for the transmitter of the magnetic contact and the vibration sensors become weak, the control panel will indicate accordingly. And there's a keypad on the control panel for easy programming.
What is the function of this button?
This is the SOS silent dialing feature. All you have to do is press the SOS button on the remote control and it will quietly and immediately alerts the pre-programmed numbers. You can link up to 4 contact numbers.
Wow, this is a very efficient system.
That's not all, there are other great features too. Once the system is triggered, you'll be notified as to the reason it was set off, such as trigger zone or power failure. A notification is a system voice update and you can choose the preferred 3 languages of your choice, which is English, Chinese or Bahasa Malaysia. And the good thing is, you can call to check on the system status or even operate the system remotely. For added protection, the system is friendly enough to be linked to any CMS provider in the neighborhood. Isn't that exactly what needed for our family? Oops, I got a call.
Welcome to Home Alarm System.
That's not something you play with, young lady.
At least we know the SS call works extremely well. Hey, honey.
Thanks, dear. I'll be back on Monday.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
That's good. And you, sweetie, promise to be a good girl, okay?
You become a good boy.
Okay, sweetie.
Drive careful.
Alright, bye.
Bye, sweetie. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.